My dear friend, I am Vijay Kumar Pal. I have written so many books. One of them is This is the Lament of Sinjar by Vijay Kumar Pal, Tears of Yazidi Women. This book is the reflection of the cruelty against Kafir Yazidi women and men by Abu Bakr al-Baghdadi, as he cited so many verses of Quran and did accordingly. So Quranic verses is the verses of the satanic verses. Salman Rushdie wrote a book or has written a book that is Midnight Children, I think, or the satanic verses. Really, the Quran, all the Quranic verses are the satanic verses. So this Allah is resembled to devil, and the people who are believing in Allah, they are the demons on this earth. And those people, or those the journalists of India and any other of the country, which are screaming that BJP is creating the breach between the Muslims and Hindus, this is not true, because Islam is the root cause of all breaching the harmony and peace, not among the Hindus by the Muslims, but against the Jews and the Christians also. So these journalists, as the Abhay Dubey, these are the very mischievous person, as Dr. Ram Puniani and many others who are citing that Islam is a piece of religion. Even the Raj Kumar Bhatti, the Samajwadi correspondence, SP correspondence, is also a demon who is the telling lie that there will be brotherhood between the Muslims and Hindus. It is not possible, because so many Quranic verses cited or stated that there is no relation between the Muslims and the non-Muslims, because non-Muslim are the filthies, they are below the beast, they are just like the pig. This is written in the Quranic verses. So who are praising the Islam and are the non-Muslims, they are stupids, or the bunches of the jokers. They are the Herculean. They are doing drama as a Herculean or the Joker can do. They are not less than any Joker. But Joker is good than these cunning politicians, as they are citing that Hindu Muslim brotherhood. This is not possible. Until the Quran is present in the mind of the Muslims, there is no chance any brotherhood between the Muslims and Hindus, even the Muslims and the non-Muslims. This is the theory of the Islam. So as we are aware, and you are also aware with me, that we are citing or we are exposing or the debunk the Quranic verses, which are very satanic and the demonic verses. We are in the series of the chapter 2 Surah Al-Baqarah. We have completed 270 verses in my last video, that was in English also. So we will now read the verse of the surah, verse of the chapter Al-Baqarah, verse number 271. Chapter 2. We will see the translation of the Mustafa Khattab, which is very authentic Maulana. To give charity publicly is good, but to give to the poor privately is better for you, and we will absolve you of your sins, and Allah is all aware what you do. Here in these verses, it is stated that give charity publicly is good, but privately, well, good. But what means of such type of a charity which are giving only the Muslims, and the Allah allows the robbery, the wealth of the non-Muslims? So this charity is totally a hypocrisy which was created by Muhammad. What use if you are a robber and you looted the wealth of the non-Muslims? They are innocent, even they are poor, but you are looting or you are robbed the wealth of the non-Muslims and then given to the Muslims. This is not charity. And what type this Allah? Allah does not know even single ABCD of the sin, because Allah is a sinner. Though Allah is fallacy, Allah is nothing, Allah is zero. 272. You are not responsible for people's guidance. O Prophet, it is Allah who guides whoever He wills. Whatever you believers spend in charity, it is for your own good as long as you do seeking the pleasure of Allah. Whatever you donate will be paid back to you in full and you will not be wronged. Here in this, it has been stated that you are not responsible the people guidance, but guidance of the Allah. What is the guidance of the Allah? Allah makes a Muslim a certified criminal, as Allah allows to kill the non-Muslims in the name of the Quran and the Allah. So, this is the path of Allah. This is the guidance of Allah. It seems Allah is the head of the robbers, killers, and propagator of the violence throughout the world and disturbing the peace and harmony throughout the world. This is Allah's task. But Allah is a fallacy, as you are well known and you are well aware that Allah is a fallacy. But this whole drama was created by Muhammad for his vested interest, to fulfill his sensual desire, to fulfill his lust of the wealth, and to fulfill his bloodthirst ideology of the Islam, killing the non-Muslim. 273. What is saying this verse? We will see. Charity is for the needy who are to engage in the cause of Allah, to move about in the land for work. Charity for the needy. But robbery is a essential holy work to every Muslim. Robbery only for the wealth of the non-Muslims, and it is known as in Islam as a Mali Ganimat, and 20% of the robbery was given to Muhammad. This type, the Prophet who was taking the money of the loot. So this Prophet is a certified robber. Those unfamiliar with their situation will think they are not in need of charity because they do not beg. But Allah is begging. Allah is a great beggar. Allah beg. For what? He is begging. He is begging the Muslims who can kill the non-Muslims to spread the Islam or Allah theology. Rape of the woman by the Allah's will of the non-Muslim woman. Allah allows to rape with the non-Muslim woman. This is the Allah. This is the Allah work. You can recognize them by their appearance. They do not beg people personally. In this verse it has been stated that rich people are not like the poor. The face cut of the poor and the rich are not similar. And even the non-Muslims and Muslims are not similar. So Allah is desperately discriminated between the people. They do not beg people personally. Whenever you give in charity, is certainly well known to Allah. Yes, Allah is nothing well known. Allah is a stupid. Because Allah is saying that earth is static and sun moving around the earth. What type of this well knowing Allah? What is the wisdom of this Allah? Allah is certified stupid. 274. Those who spend their wealth in the charity day and night, secretly, openly, their reward is with the Lord, and they will not fear for them, nor they will grieve. Means charity is well in Islam, but also the robbery of the non-Muslim wealth, their women and rape their women, which are the non-Muslims, is also a 24 hours work of any true Muslim. A true Muslim, who is the true Muslim? Who are engaged in the killing of the non-Muslims, rapes with the non-Muslim women, sale and purchase of the non-Muslim women, as Muhammad did. So many hadiths present in this contrast that Muhammad sale and purchase the women after looting them. The Banu Qurayza Jewish tribe, Jewish women were sold in the market of Nazad. This is the reference is the Sirat Rasulullah or the life of Rasulullah by Ibn Ishaq. chapter 83, page number 465, 275. Those who consume interest will stand on judgment day like those driven to madness by Satan touch. Means interest is not allowed in Islam. But the robbery of the non-Muslim woman, rape with the non-Muslim woman is allowed. Means interest is version than the rape. This is the teaching of the Muhammad. This is teaching of the Islam. So rapist is the Satan. Rapist, which are the Muslims, are the touch of the Satan. That is because they say trade is not different than interest, but Allah has permitted trading and forbidding interest. Who refrain after having received warning from the Lord may keep their previous gains, and this case is left to Allah. As for those who persist, if they who will the resident of the fire, they will be therefore. Why the Muhammad or Muhammad Allah restrained the interest? Because Muhammad was not a businessman, he was the certified robber. So there was no need to take interest. When is he looting all the wealth of the non-Muslims, rape with the non-Muslim women, and killing the non-Muslim? After killing the non-Muslims, Muhammad looted so many women and sold in the market. So Muhammad had no need to the interest because he is a certified robber, or robber has no interest in the interest of the money, because looting is the perfect looting. The 100% wealth was looting by the Muhammad in the name of the Allah. So interest is not needy for any Muslim, because they were the certified robbers at the time of Muhammad. Chapter 276. Allah has made interest fruitless and charity fruitful, and Allah does not like any ungrateful evildoers. Charity only to the Muslims. Charity to non-Muslim is not allowed in Islam, as you well aware, or you must be well aware. Indeed, those who believe, do good, establish prayer, and pay alms tax will receive their reward from their Lord, and there will be no fear of them, nor will they grieve. Who offer the namaz, or the salat, or the prayer, the 5 times. Fajr, Maghrib, Asar, Juhur, Isa. Okay? Maghrib, Fajr, Asar, Juhu, or Isa. The 5 time prayers, and in 5 time prayers, the Muslims are abusing the non-Muslim 48 times, because Islam, the root cause of Islam, root cause of violence is Islam, and the Islam salient feature is the looting or the robbery, killing, rape with the non-Muslim women. This is the salient features of the Islam. 278. O believers, fear Allah and give up outstanding interest if you are true believers. If you are true believers, don't take interest. Means interest of the money. But you can loot or rob the non-Muslim women and rape with these non-Muslim women, because they are kafir women, or they can be sex slave of a Muslim. This is the stupidity and the criminology of Allah. This is not the criminology of Allah. This is the criminology of so-called Prophet Muhammad bin Allah, who was self-proclaimed prophet, but he deeds just like a filthy gay guy. 279. If you do not, then beware of war with Allah and His Messenger. But if you repent, you may retain your principle, neither inflicting nor suffering harm. If you do not obey the Allah, that war with Allah. But where is Allah? I don't know. Nobody can do war with Allah, because there is no Allah. When there is no Allah, no question arises the war against Allah. And Allah is so weak that He has produced so many goons in the name of the Muslims, fight against the non-Muslims, and rape of the non-Muslim women by the boon of the Allah. So Allah is a dreadful, devilish demon. 280. It is difficult for someone to repay a debt. Postpone it until a time of peace, and if you waive it, is an act of charity. It will be better for you if you only knew. Means you can postpone or waive off the debt of the Muslims, because Muhammad was looting the caravan and all the wealth was from the robbery. So Muhammad has no problem with making money by the sword, and this Islam is the ideology, only making the money, fulfill the lust by the non-Muslim woman, raped with that woman or known as the Malika Amin or the sex slave, Londi or Bandi. 281. Be mindful of the day when you will all be returned to Allah. This is not true. There will no resurrection, because there is no proof any resurrection, and Allah never be a creator of this universe. Then every soul will be paid in full of what is had done, none will be wronged. Every soul will be paid in full. What? When a lion engulf a Muslim and the whole body has been digested the intestine of the lion, then there is no question arise the resurrection of the body, because body is nothing. It was digested by the lion or the lion. And same way the bones are Muhammad, only bones will be in Muhammad grave. क्या हो गया महाराज जी? 282. ये है बहुत बड़ी आयत है. This is very big. O believers, when you contact a loan for a fixed period of time, commit it writing. Let us the scribe maintain justice between the parties. The scribes should be not refuse to write as Allah has taught them to write. Allah has taught them to write. Allah, what can write Allah? Allah is a stupid and the fallacy. They will write what the debtor dictates, bearing Allah in mind and not defrauding the debt. If the debtor is incompetent, weak, or unable to dictate, let their guardian dictate for them. Will justice call upon two of your men to witness? If two men cannot be found, then one man and two women of your choice will witness, because one woman equal to half man. This is the discrimination of Allah in this Quranic verse. So if one woman forget, the other may remind her. What is the guarantee the man will not forget? So this is the stupidity of Allah. Intentionally, this is the stupidity of Muhammad. You must not be against writing contracts for a fixed period, whether the sum is small or great. This is more just for you in the sight of Allah and more convenient to establish evidence and remove doubt. However, if you conduct an immediate transaction among yourselves, then there is no need for you to record it, but call upon witness when a deal is finalized. Let no harm come to the scribe or witness. If you do, then you have gravely exceeded your limits. Be mindful of Allah, for Allah is the one who teaches you, and Allah is perfect knowledge of all things. So then now 283. If you are on a journey and a scribe cannot be found, then a security can be taken. If you trust one another, then there is no need for a security, but the debtor should honor this trust by repaying the debt and let them for Allah their Lord, and do not conceal the testimony, for whoever conceals it, their hearts are indeed sinful, and Allah fully knows what you do. So this only the debt has must be given to only the non-Muslim, and to the Muslim only. Non-Muslim only the prey of the Muslim in the shape of killing, robbery of their wealth, rape with their women as kafir women. At many Islamic invaders committed this heinous crime, the rape of the non-Muslims, Christians, Jews, Yazidis, Hindus, Buddhists, Sikh and many other women, because Allah allows the rape with non-Muslims, and looting them also allow. Allah is a head of the robbers, killers and the rapists. The Allah, all ये 284 है. To Allah belong whatever is in heaven and whatever is in earth. Allah do not know even a single ABCD about this, as I earlier told you that Allah do not know or does not know that earth is moving on its axis. Whereas Allah is saying that earth is not moving, earth is static and the sun moving around the earth. So this is the stupidity and foolishness of Allah. He did no single ABCD about the creation. Whether you believe what is in your heart or conceal it, Allah will call you account for it. He forgives who His will and punish whoever He wills. Allah is most capable of everything. Allah is nothing most capable, because I have given a proof in the shape of the Quranic verses about the movement of the earth. 285. The messenger firmly believes in what had been revealed to him from his Lord, and so do the believers. They all believe in Allah, His angels, His books, and His messenger. All the angels were brought or were stolen by Muhammad from the Judaism and the Christianity, and urbanization from the Hebrew language, as Ibrahim, Moses as Musa, Jesus, Isa, and Joseph, Yusuf, and so on. Gabriel as Jibril. So this is our fallacy, which was stolen by the book of the Judaism. The last verse of this chapter, Surah Al-Baqarah 286. Allah does not require any soul more than what it can be afford, and good will be for its own benefit, and all evil will be for its own loss. The believers pray, our Allah, do not punish us. We forget or make a mistake. Our Allah, do not place a burden on us like one you have placed on those before us. Our Lord, do not burden us with what we cannot bear. Pardon us, forgive us, and have mercy on you. You are our only guardian, so grant us victory over the disbelieving people. So Allah only gives benefit to the non-Muslims in the shape of killing, rape, and robbery. Allah is not giving more burden to the Muslims. Allah is giving the free hand to the Muslims of the robbery of the wealth of the non-Muslims, killing the non-Muslims, encourage their land, desecrate their temples, synagogues, fire temples, etc., and build an mosque on this statue or this worship place which is not belong to the Muslims. So Allah give free hand to any Muslim that he can be a certified criminal in shape of the robber, killer, and the rapist, and the encroacher of the worship place of the non-Muslims. So Allah is the head of the criminals. Allah is the gangster of the criminals in shape of the true Muslims. Thank you very much. See you.